If you're planning a trip to Cancun, you may have already heard about the challenges of finding a reliable taxi upon arrival. That's why booking your transfer in advance with a reputable transportation company is always a smart move. But let's be honest, those services can be pricey. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, prefer a flexible approach, or just feel adventurous, no worries. You can easily catch an ADO bus from any terminal at Cancun Airport. These buses offer a comfortable and affordable ride to Cancun, Playa del Carmen, Tulum, or even Mérida, making them a great budget-friendly option for getting to your destination hassle-free. We created this short video to help you find the ADO bus stop after arriving at Terminal 4 of Cancun Airport. After exiting the customs area for international flights, the glass door on your left in the video, or collecting your baggage from the domestic flights carousel on your right in the video, you'll walk through a hallway lined with car rental booths and a currency exchange bank. Next, you'll enter a smaller hall where people will eagerly offer you taxis and other tourist services. Don't feel pressured. Just keep walking straight to avoid unnecessary sales pitches. Just past the next set of doors, in the final area before exiting the airport, you'll find the ADO bus ticket booth on your right. Ticket prices, in Mexican pesos, and destinations are clearly displayed at the booth, and you can usually pay with either cash or card. From here, you can book a ride to downtown Cancun or the hotel zone, Playa del Carmen, Tulum, Mérida, or even Cozumel. Your ticket will show both your platform number and assigned seat. At Cancun Airport's Terminal 4, ADO buses depart from Platform D. Once you exit the airport, it's about a 5-minute walk to reach the bus boarding area. On your way to the platform, you'll pass a mini market where you can grab a snack or a drink, as well as a bar. Perfect if you have some extra time to wait for someone or just want to kick off your vacation vibes right away. In this area, you'll notice large blue letters on the pillars indicating the platform numbers. We're heading to Platform D, so after passing the mini market, take a right and walk straight ahead. You'll also find here a well-designed waiting area for guests staying at Xcaret hotels. This spot is full of activity, with travelers, taxi drivers, and transfer services coming and going. Just stay alert. While it's easy to get caught up in the energy, be mindful of potential taxi scams that sometimes happen in this area. Now, let's keep moving toward Platform D to catch our ADO bus. It's just a short walk ahead, and this stretch is usually less crowded. By the way, you can buy your ADO bus ticket in advance on their website or in the app. We'll leave the links in the description below. But keep in mind that if your arrival is delayed, you risk missing it. That said, there's no real need to book ahead, as tickets are easy to purchase at the ADO booths in the airport. The buses run on a punctual schedule, departing approximately every 30 minutes. So if you miss one, the next one won't be far behind. As you go, be sure to check not just the platform letter, but also the number. For some reason, the platform numbers are displayed high up, under the canopy roof, so don't forget to look up. If it's still early in the day, you'll find another small ticket booth here, along with a staff member who can direct you to the correct platform. Since buses to Cancun, Playa del Carmen, and Tulum depart from nearby platforms, things can get a bit confusing. But don't worry. The staff will double-check your ticket to make sure you board the right bus. Before you hop on, the driver will scan your ticket and confirm your seat assignment. If you have luggage, you can store it in the designated compartment. They'll attach a numbered tag to your bag and give you a matching ticket. Be sure to hold on to it, as you may need it when claiming your luggage at your destination. And here we are. ADO buses are spacious and comfortable, offering plenty of legroom, even for taller travelers. They're air-conditioned, equipped with several TV screens for entertainment, and most importantly, have onboard restrooms, so no need to worry about long rides. That's a wrap. We hope this guide helps make your trip smoother and stress-free. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Enjoy your time in Mexico.